Alright guys, it's been a bit of a long week here at Benzine's. I've been trying to get this video done multiple times in between the other cars. The car's been here for quite some time. But since the car arriving, since us doing a charity event, since actually carrying out the work that we needed to do on the car, it's come up that, you know, Street Machine might want to shoot this car, or they want to shoot this car, and it might, always say it might because you never know how it turns out, but the intention is to have this car shot tonight for Street Machine. So every time we do a shoot, it's a lot of extra work because we need to prepare the shop. So you see there the old XY sitting out there, half the shop's outside. You know, we're getting ready to pull the project out as well. We need to clean floors constantly because you know, cars going in and out, there's probably going to be a bit of dew. So yeah, it's a bit of a, I don't mind doing it. Jordan, who shoots for Street Machine, is becoming a good friend of mine, so I'm always willing to you know, open up the shop for him if it makes it convenient. It makes if it helps the customer have their car featured in Street Machine. So it's probably not ideal to shoot white in here, but Jordan always seems to make it work. And yeah, so we'll probably show a few bits and pieces of that getting done, but obviously the main side of this, the main part of this video is the car itself. So I took a bit of it running the other day, so we'll put that towards the end. But for now, we'll just probably, I just want to show you the car itself, and then hopefully one day you will see it in Street Machine. So let's have a look. So I've got it facing, this is just where it's been sitting, so I don't, so when I don't like to start the cars as minimal as possible because there's not much ventilation, even though the door's big. Also, the more you start or you're moving it, it's just, yeah, you don't know where you're going to end up starting, shooting or anything like that. So yeah, so I'll just leave it here in the center, and we'll just work it out where we're going to shoot it. But yeah, so this car is a very nice HK Kingswood. It's, well, it might have started life as a 186, but it's definitely not there. So it's a blown LSA, and I'll open up the bonnet and show you how cool that engine bay is. It's a really, really nicely done engine bay. I know something about this car, I know it's because it's white. It just looks, it's hard to say. It looks like there's a lot done, but there's not a lot done, but it just looks so clean in the way it's been done. And the Grigich guys who built this car, man, they're one of our, you know, one of the best in the country. Some of the stuff, the fabric they do. I've done another, I think it's a HK. I've done another Monaro that they built as well, and that car was, yeah, it's absolutely flawless as well. So they do all these subtle changes in fabrication, and it just makes the car look, it just looks like it's supposed to be there, you know. So we'll get the engine bay open in a minute and we'll show you that. And you can see the delete. So the delete badges on the back there makes it look so much nice and clean. And what I thought was interesting, the owner showed me today, because I mean, I know I've been around a lot of these cars, but so the door trim sort of reflects Monaro style trim, but obviously to suit the Kingswood. So then obviously, you know, it's not your standard old bench seat anymore. It just looks like it's supposed to be there, you know, like it's how it's sort of come up, how it came out from factory. Even the shifter, the way the guys do this is really, really cool. We'll get over to the dash in a minute. But yeah, this looks so nice. Everything's so subtle. That love visor, that's mint. The way everything's finished. Open it. It's just really, really nice car, this one. I really like it. We'll probably show you a bit of the dash sort of when we start it a bit later. That's pretty cool in itself. Just more nicely flush mounted where your engine start with your buttons. There's scuff plates, there's all trims. Where we got the bonnet is actually got its own little. So here is what I think is the best bit of the car. This is like a factory LSA, blown LSA just dropped in there. The reverse cowls are all done nice and tidy. It's only a small one. And I don't know if you've seen if you ever have a look at the Monaro video I did, you know, I can't remember what I said in that one, whether this one's going to come out first or that one, but you can sort of see obviously where they've, you know, filled those holes, you know, the brake boost is gone. Just look how clean that back end looks, you know. And even though the motor is not like, it's just how it is. It's how you, I think it's pretty much how you buy them. Obviously you got all your ancillaries on there, but it just, yeah, still looks like it's really nice and tidy. So neat. That's all being tidied up. That looks like it's billet. All these are a nice touch. I love these. Hinges. Even this back sort of panel here, it's all smooth. You know, everything's smooth, filled. It's just a really, you know, really clean build, this one. So it's definitely worthy to be in the magazine, that's for sure. So with a bit of luck, maybe we'll show you a bit behind the scenes of some of the, I guess, configurations you know, we're doing for setting up for the for photo shooting it. I don't think there's anything sort of secretive or stuff there, but yeah. All I know is every time I do a photo shoot, and anyone that's done one, it gets quite tiring, and I'm already tired because it's the end of the week. Or I might just open the boot in here. There's the boot. Again, all just nice and clean, the way it's all done. So there you have it, guys. I'll we'll show you a bit of the shoot, and then we'll show you a bit of it running, and then we'll see you at the end.